In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF searchable in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Convert tab up here, and before we actually do this, I'm going to explain what this does. So for example, let's say you just scanned a PDF or you scanned a paper and converted that into a PDF, and now you're actually opened it up on your computer and you're trying to search through it. So for example, you have it open, you're trying to search through, and you can't find anything. Like over here, for example, if I do Control F, let's say I've been looking for a word over here, as you can see, for example, last thing, and if I try to search, it's going to find it because I've went through the OCR. So if you scan a document and you open it up, it's actually not going to find anything because it's not recognizing that as text just yet. So let's actually fix this so we can search through your document. So you want to go to the Convert tab, click on OCR pages, and then here you can select which pages you want to OCR. I'm going to do all of them, and then of course you have your language over here, and then the accuracy and all other settings. I'm going to leave this as default, and I'm going to click on OK, and it's going to start the OCR process, and there we go. I can now just go ahead and basically save this document, and when I open it up, you'll be able to see you can now go ahead and search. You've made it searchable. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.